we say Bushia be a muansem. Okay, let's not pretend. Bushia be a muansem. Now, no, the daddy lumba de became, and they will be so the other. You didn't do what now will be the other. If you are what you are, be a no, said I, you will be a crowd winning now. That is it. And you know, I are somewhat may I don't take delight in all these things because I are requesting to see a family to the point say you used to on ourselves. Serious. A very, very embarrassing to the generation. To the generation because papa eating us no and the papa di bread only the star of Africa nemra ni be mind stroma and people are looking at him as a role model legacy onokura no na sefu mpo manfo behwe omusu asua but then here can say fie bia mensem wo behwe na ba ko bia be frem say de ofori kan say wo hwe ne mani nyina wo de hwe omusu no omoban you only see obi eka asembone fa akofna no. None of them except Akofna. Edi entia. Ohwe ne ho ye. Edi Akofna eyitu na for a family. For a family, the entia maker say no. For a family to come out, say court and charge you with attempted murder. Fatu sumame, Frank is fatu sumame. Say wa busuafo. Ebe ka kire said yes you know. And yam from so na aye you. Dey wo sheda. Wo sheda say ka wo ku nipa. And da on a daily guide na dey buy. No change in Apostle Kojosa family. Let me say one of the newspapers. Charge him with attempted murder. Frank is obenya and one my charge him with attempted murder. You kind of hear newspaper review. It means that wow family crutch. Let's say only ni papa. And yes, bia. Who can say ubekuno? But what try say ubekuno? What try say ubekuno? Unya ubekuno. I didn't know family, but they say ubeye udini. It's your best say. Yes, your best say. You see, there are empeninfo within Apostle Ebusuam. That's right. Asore ne danchenya ye we busua kan no ankasa. Unim asore ne be contend because akoye say empire. Yeah. Ti obi afin say we ne be diso a. Me a sorry penny me benefit. That's right. If you are sorry penny for in our interest, that is what the family must know. That's it. A sorry penny for no be our interest. So the family must come together as one and find a makeable solution to this issue. Because you separate it from the church issue. Confirm me that's papa. Very good.